Ready to frag in Valorant on your Ubuntu machine? Let's get you set up. First, you're going to need Wine, a compatibility layer that allows you to run Windows applications on Linux. You can typically find it in your Ubuntu Software Center. Open the Software Center and search for Wine. Install the latest stable version. Next, you'll likely need to install Wine's dependencies and a specific version, Wine, that is optimized for gaming. This may involve using your terminal. Open the terminal application. In the terminal, you'll want to install the dependencies. Research and look for the proper commands online for the correct dependencies. After installing the dependencies, type in the command to download a specific, more compatible version. Wine. This is Winich, or Glorious Eggroll Wine for Valorant. Now, it's time to download Valorant. Head to the official Valorant website and download the game's installer. This will be a Windows executable, which works with Wine. Once you have the installer file, run it using Wine. Right-click the installer and choose Open with or Run with Wine. Install Valorant to your preferred location. You may need to create a virtual desktop in Wine's configuration to avoid resolution issues. After installation, launch Valorant through Wine. Because of anti-cheat issues, this is where you sometimes have issues. You may need to install additional components. If you face problems with the game, look up community guides. Many players share optimized Wine settings, custom configurations, and performance tweaks to get Valorant running smoothly. Finally, experiment with different graphics settings inside Valorant to optimize your gameplay experience. Try lowering settings to increase performance. With a little effort, fragging on Ubuntu is more than possible.